Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel for the first time if you're new. It's my channel where I do a little bit of everything, whatever I just feel like doing. So if you guys are interested in watching, then don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't mind this whole section. It's actually like not looking all that great right now. So let's zoom you guys in so you don't have to pay attention to all that. Okay, so hey guys, I have another Sips by unboxing for you guys. Really excited. This is the August box. Open her up. Ooh. Oh, it's the September box. Okay, it's the September box. I didn't get the August box, did I? No, I didn't, which is fine. No problem. This just means that we skipped August. Made for Ziya. And the first thing that I saw as soon as I opened the box here is these tea drops. If you guys have been watching my Sips by unboxings, then you guys have heard of the tea drops before. I got the peppermint ones. They are absolutely amazing. I love them. They're like these little balls of tea. I think this one is actually like a ball. The peppermint ones were a little heart. You literally don't have to like do anything special. Just boil water. Just drop one of these in there. You do have like a little bit of sediment that like settles at the bottom of the cup, and you can drink that, or you could just leave it behind. And it's just like the easiest thing, and they're so cute. They're so cute. This one is caffeine free, and it's in the flavor that I was really hoping for. It's citrus ginger. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to give this a try. Look at how adorable. Look at it. Look at how cute it is. My hands are dry. Don't pay attention to that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these guys, which I am going to use up real quick. The next tea I have here is this scented black tea. It's an Earl Grey Supreme, rich smooth black tea with a lofty floral and citrusy high notes of Italian bergamot. I don't know fancy words, but here's what it is, how it looks. It has a medium amount of caffeine. It's one of the triangular sachets. You can see all the information on the back right there. I'm not like the biggest fan of Earl Grey teas. I should probably go onto my account and like readjust my preferences. But I'm interested in giving this a try. Next, I have this Storehouse tea. Bright mint organic green tea. I love mint teas and I love green tea, so this is like the perfect combination. Organic gunpowder green tea leaves, organic peppermint, and organic spearmint. I think Ernie's really gonna like this too. Ernie is really like not adventurous with his teas very much. He likes mint and raspberry teas and black teas, but he won't sweeten any of it. Like, I can't do that. I need to put like some kind of sweetener in my tea, whether it's sugar, agave, honey, something. I have 3 of those. And lastly, I have this little, oh, this looks really cute. It's a loose leaf tea. It looks really interesting in the back. It looks like there's coconut flakes. Are there coconut flakes? The pineapple, coconut, and spices provide a delicious burst of flavor. Really cool. This looks really neat. I'm really excited to give this a try. Oh, and they also always give tea bags to you if you get a loose leaf tea in here, so you don't have to worry about having your own tea steeper or going to get your own tea bags. I went through this really fast. I like this. I like this a lot. All of these are really neat. Does this one have a lot of caffeine? Oh, this one is a high caffeine tea. They said start your day off and that it gives you high energy, so I should have just assumed that it has high caffeine, but it is a high caffeine tea. I'm just really interested. I've never had a tea that had pineapple in it, so that seems really interesting and very unique. So that's what I love about these boxes, is they include a bunch of things that I would have never tried on my own. Like, I stick with my ginger peach tea quite often, or at least I did before I started getting these boxes. So if you guys are interested in trying this box for yourself, you can check out using my code to get $5 off of your box. Instead of paying $15 for your box, you can use my code and get your box for $10 instead of $15. So that is everything, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so if you guys stick around to see those. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.